Full unboxing. Robot Wheels. Welcome to the channel of Robot Wheels World. This smart robot unlocks 2 ways to play: program its moves with simple buttons, or control it via Bluetooth for advanced play. In just a few minutes, we'll show you how to get started and unlock all its creative possibilities. The kit includes a map, user guide, coding cards, activity cards, activity card guide, the robot wheels, and a sorting tray. These are the coding cards and activity cards we've torn off. The robot and its accessory cards can be kept perfectly in the sorting tray. The bottom compartment is where you can keep the product, battery not included. The second layer is specifically designed to store and organize the coding cards. The top layer of the box is specifically designed to hold the activity cards and their guide. Here is where you'll place the robot itself. These sections help keep everything safe and prevent cards from getting lost.